Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you about the Coalesce function in SQL. I will be creating a temporary table and I will be inserting the data, and also I will be showing you with an example right here on the system. So first, the function of this Coalesce function is to show the value, show the first non-null value. I will first create the root table, so it will be better to show with an example. And now here the table is created. You can see the table is created with field ID A and B like here. Now I will insert some values in this table. So these are the three rows that I'm going to insert here. So it has been inserted. Now let me check the data. So you can see this data has been inserted into this table. Now coming to the function. So you can see that I have used this function Coalesce with value as a and b multiplied with 1.1 and 50. So let me just execute this, and here you can see that, as I said, that Coalesce is a function which provides the first non-null value among all the parameters you wish. It can be n number of parameters, but minimum should be two comparable parameters should be within the box. So here I have used three parameters. One is value a, and another value b into this 1.1, and the other one is 50. So if I compare the first line, so the first non-null value is 100. So this Coalesce provides value 100, and in this case here b is null, a is null, so it will check the next parameter. So here it is b, so it will show the value with b multiplied by 1.1. And the last one is the parameters a b both are null, so it will show you the last value, that is 50. So here in this case I have showed you with three parameters, but it can be more. So based on your requirement, now this Coalesce function can be used. It is very good function to compare now between multiple uh, multiple parameters where you want to show the first non-null value. That is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.